Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO Tuesday tutorial. So this one is about Pinterest and how you can connect your different parts of your web presence to be able to help your SEO on all of them, especially with Google. So with Pinterest, you can come in here, and if you come to your logged in business page on Pinterest and click on settings, you can find that in the upper right corner. All right, once you click here on settings, you'll come to this page and then click over here on the left vertical menu for claim. And you'll see these different pieces that you can connect. So we won't walk through all of them today. It's mostly to let you know that this is available, but we'll go through real quick just the main one that most people will probably want to, and that's on your website. So you're in this page, come over here and you click on claim. When you do, up pops this. Let me see if I can enlarge that a little bit for you. Yeah. Okay, so there's three different ways, and we won't go through because a little bit of this is technical. You may need a little bit of experience or help from your web developer to do this. There are three different ways. One is to add that HTML tag in the head, and if you have the ability to do that, obviously might be the simplest way to do it. Now you can also make things so that your website is not slowed down at all by go ahead and uploading an HTML file. And this is if you have access to your root directory. The last way you can do it is to add a TXT record, and this is done through the domain host. It may be a little complex for some, but your hosting and your domain name can be two different places. They can be the same, can be separate. Anyway, this is through the domain host, and the TXT record is usually found in the DNS area. Alright, so obviously you can copy and paste any of these in. I apologize for these that are blurred, but you get that basic idea to be able to do this. And what's this going to help? Well, it's going to be able to help you to go ahead and connect these things. Once you do that, you'll be able to help your web presence overall. Google loves when things are connected, and this is just another way that Pinterest is now allowing you to connect the different pieces. Thanks, and I hope this helps as another helpful Tuesday tutorial for your SEO.